Hello friends, my name is Kaushal Jain and you're watching Tech Diaries. So today we are going to learn how to create stock item with HSN code and with GST rate, and how to create ledger for both debtors and creators. So let's get started. So first of all, for creating a stock item we have to go to gateway of Tally, then inventory info, then stock items, create, we have to give the name of our item, suppose pen, it will be primary. We have to give here pieces. Now here GST applicable is there or not? Yes, it is applicable, so we will give yes, and we have to give the HSN code of the pen here. Taxability, yes, it is taxable, 18%. This all VAT applicable is not needed here, and you can see our stock item is ready. So we can check it is ready or not. We have to go again, inventory info, stock items, display, PE and pen. Yes, it is there. And now we'll learn how to create ledger for both debtors and creators. So first of all, we'll go to account info, then ledgers, create. Now we have to give the name of the party, suppose XYZ. Now if you are supplying him goods, then he will be your debtor, and if you are purchasing from him, it will be a creditor. So we will keep him as creditor. You have to type a Sundry Creditor, enter. This all are not it. Address you have to give. Country Assam, and if he is a GST party, then you have to give his GST number here. And as you can see, Sundry Creditor is created. Now we will go for Sundry Debtors. So we will give a name here. We will change it to debtors. This one are not rated, and here address you have to give. And like this, Sundry Debtors and Creditors both are created. Now we can check if they are created or not. Like we have come ABC, it is created. XYZ, it is also created. So let's end here. Thank you so much for watching Tech Diaries.